Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to the Daily DIY Do channel, where we do DIY do stuff on a daily. Today we got a real good treat for you guys. We're going to be mowing the lawn with the Toro Timemaster. Let's lay down these stripes, show you what I got. And don't forget to stay tuned to the very end. After I get done mowing, I'm going to do a little walk around the yard, show you these Poa Trivialis spots right here to your right that I dug up out the backyard. Show you the ones that are in the front yard that I'll be digging up. Got a few funny clips of my kids at the end. Just stay tuned, guys. Alright guys, let's head on out to the front, lay down some stripes out here. Hope you guys enjoy watching that backyard mow. Remember, stay tuned to the end because we're going to do a little walkthrough. this is the next day after I mowed 422. Let's take a look at the lawn, see what she looks like. Alright guys, so these are those spots you seen in my backyard while I was mowing. These are the spots I was referring to. These were Poa trivialis spots. What we did is I dug them up with a shovel, got rid of the old stuff, came back in with some fresh dirt, had my daughter weasel in that dirt. After we got it all nice and leveled out, I came back in with some GCI cool blue grass seed, and then we weaseled that seed in just a little bit, threw some water on it, and we watching it grow. As you can see from the next little clip, it's starting to come up really good. This is about 8 days later from when we first planted the seed. This ain't your first watering job, is it?
No, I was this hole.
Huh?
Anybody know was this hole?
Alrighty guys, I hope you enjoy what you seen. Like I said, if you guys like lawn care, think about subscribing to the channel, because I'm going to show you guys exactly how I got my lawn looking this good. Oh, and these are those Poa trivialis spots in my front yard that I'm getting ready to fix. I'm pretty much going to dig them all up, do the same thing I did in the backyard. Thanks for watching guys. Don't forget, like, subscribe, tell your buddies. What you gonna do now? Ho, brother. Hey, look at here, house. I'll tell you what.
Anybody know was this hole?
No. Ho, brother. Had it going too high, buddy.